Hey, I can't sleep, so I decided to get BAM! Glue. I ran out of glue when I was making the books for the client that I gave to her. And I want to make books because it's middle of the night and I can't sleep and I'm super awake. And it's not good. Oh, please. Oh. So I'm making a movie video on how to make books. Or just, I mean, I made a few of those. I don't think I put any of them out. I keep recording things and then not editing them, and I have a bunch of footage that I haven't edited, and it bothers me. It's very frustrating. Anyway, I'm gonna show you how to make a book with a cool cover. So, all right, so I'm back with a vengeance, and I'm back with these things are the best, and with the sweet chili sauce, Trader Joe's sweet chili sauce. BAM! I should be getting some affiliate money from this, but I'm not, because I'm not. I'm just hungry. And I can't sleep. So what I'm gonna do is eat more of this. These are so good. Amazing. You have no idea. They're the best. The best in the world of ever. So good. So good in the hood. And we are gonna make books. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Lately I really wanna go. My heart won't pay the road. So it's morning, well, afternoon, and these warp a little bit, which is what I was afraid of. That's why I had them in there. But what I'm gonna do is I'm going to complete these. I'm gonna fold these over and glue them as needed. And then I'm gonna clamp them down really hard. The issue is the water in the glue warps the covers as they dry, which is why I like to have them dry while they're clamped in this thing, but I guess that didn't work this time. Just a little bit. See, it went on a little bit diagonally, but it shouldn't be an issue because the cover page, I'm gonna fold these over and I'm gonna put a cover page on top of that. So that should hide the fact that these aren't quite even. The cool thing with newspaper is that if it's a little crinkled, it actually adds to the character. One reason why I like working with this as a cover material, because sometimes it gets crinkled like that, and newspaper is supposed to be crinkled. Hey, it's Joe again, and it is the next night. There you go. I did some work on the journals. This is the back of one of them, front. Got some, when I put it in, the glue seeped out of this and then attached onto the paper that I put on there, and then it ripped away some of the material. So I had to glue some extra pieces of newspaper to it to make up for the gaps. And now it's still a little bit torn, unfortunately. Not torn, bent, like warped. As you can see, there's warp right there because of the moisture in the glue. It tends to warp this if I don't clamp it well enough. But yeah, I'm gonna put the cover page on this, and then I'm gonna see if there's a way I can glue this without any seeping out, because I hate when something else sticks to that and then I have to tear it off and it's like, maybe there's a solution to that. I don't know. But let's do some more filming.
Oh, baby. Oh, baby, look at that. Hell yeah.
Bam, bam, bam. It's so cool. Look at that. It's really nicely done. The only issue I see is that it's a little bit wavy, kind of like wavy. But other than that, ooh, baby. Time to do this one. So I wanted to show you what I got from this, and then I also wanted to show you a little bit of a flaw that I had an issue with on making these. Something that I needed to go back to the beginning and essentially wreck one of these if I wanted to correct it. So as you can see, the flaw, you see how they're different widths. Let me see if I can see. You see how this edge lines up right there, but this edge doesn't? Because this is thinner than the one behind it. So when I make this into a book, it will look a little bit odd. It'll kind of open up like that. So what I'll actually probably do is make one that's like this and the same exact width to accompany this one, and then make a different one that's the same width as this one to accompany that. What do you call it? Why am I blanking? I haven't gotten much sleep the past couple days. That's probably why. So yeah, and then the insides are nice. This one has less of a margin around it, and this one has more of a margin because this one's thinner. That's why. This one has more margin because it's thicker on the edges. Also, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna put my Patreon in a link down there, and one of the things that I enjoyed very much about this is just doing it and making it, and I hope that you liked it. So if you want to see me do more of these, which I would love to do, the main thing that you're helping me with in Patreon is my time. And I want to thank all the patrons I have. I'm gonna, in post-production or somewhere around here, be like, ta-da, names, etc. And you can join their ranks, and I think now, later, I'll probably make it a higher tier for you to be mentioned in a video. But for right now, at any tier, as long as it's a monthly donation, I think I have it set up for. If it's a monthly donation in the Patreon, then you can be featured. I'll just put the names right there because it's bright. Featured right here with the other patrons that are donating monthly right now. So thank you very much to those lovely patrons. To you guys help me make sure that I can do this. Things like the materials that I use are not free. Same with this. And also, the main thing is freeing up my time so I can do more of these. If I had my way, I would be doing this 24/7, making things. I'd probably, half the things I make, I'd probably do and stay present and not film, and then half the things I'd make instructional or make look cool or something. So, yeah. Live passionately, my viewers. And ciao.